Challenges with deep drilling, they're just an extension of challenges that come with hard rock. You really want to get those PDC cutters engaged with the rock. It needs a lot of weight to do that. And then when you try and do that at the end of 10 kilometers long of drill string, it'd be very hard to get there. The rock formations, especially for geothermal, are very high friction. You typically have, I'll say, 10 kilometers of drill string between where you're controlling the drilling process at the rig and the drill bit. When you think about that, I like to put it in perspective sometimes. If you were to shrink down the drilling process into this room, right? So you had the drill bit at the floor and the drilling rig at the surface. What connects the two would be less than the width of a human hair. All right, so you're trying to control what's happening to the floor from surface down a conduit that's less than the width of a human hair. It boggles your mind to think that how that works in the first place, but it does. People get it to work. But when you're talking about doing that 10 kilometers down in hard rock with a lot of friction, we need to change the paradigm a little bit. And that's where geodrilling's technology comes in. We drive the process from below. It works with how you do drilling today, but it supercharges it, right? It's a downhole drilling system that essentially is plug and play. So you can use exactly the same technology you use today, same processes you use today, take our technology, stick it into the drilling assembly, and completely eliminate that problem that I just mentioned. As we have a downhole drive system that can grip against the wellbore, we can also start to explore opportunities for things like coiled tubing drilling. Coiled tubing drilling is a thing today, but it's typically in very small diameters because of the torque capacity of the coiled tubing drill string, right? So one of the things we're working with Petrobras on is to use our downhole drive system to enable coiled tube drilling offshore for hard rock, large diameter wells. So we have a system today that can make inroads and make significant benefits to today's drilling, but also is an enabler to hopefully what drills every well in the future, coiled tubing drilling. That's what I'm very proud of. It seemed to be quite serendipitous, that we had this plug and play tool that could then also offer so much more to the industry.